And I'm so glad that the Supreme Court made the right, sound, legal decision and the humane decision.
A victory for the estimated 700,000 DACA recipients nationwide, about 60,000 of whom live in the tri-state area. The Supreme Court siding with the so-called Dreamers, allowing the Deferred Action for Childhood Arrivals program, better known as DACA, to continue. Chief Justice John Roberts sided with the court's liberal wing, ruling the Trump administration's explanation of their decision to end the program back in 2017 was insufficient.
The court held that the Trump administration acted illegally when it decided to terminate DACA and ignore the meaningful ways that DACA has transformed people's lives.
But the court didn't rule on the legality of the program, and the Trump administration could attempt to end it again, giving a more reasonable explanation. The president's immediate reaction, tweeting, "Do you get the impression that the Supreme Court doesn't like me?" Afterwards, writing, "I am asking for a legal solution on DACA, not a political one." Adding, "The Supreme Court is not willing to give us one. So now we have to start this process all over again." Justice Clarence Thomas, writing for the dissent, that the court's ruling was an effort to avoid a politically controversial but legally correct decision. State Assembly member Catalina Cruz, a former Dreamer, says while this is a win, the fight for a permanent solution continues.
I'm still taking it all in. Our kids deserve so much better. This should not be a permanent Band-Aid, because that's what it's going to feel like.